To my channel, I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are looking into Molton Brown Discovery Kits, okay? And on the docket in particular, we have Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. I'm not gonna waste a whole lot of time here. Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. Came out really easily. No need for aggression. All right, let's get this on the back of the wrist. Ooh. Man, that one's strong. You got fruity, rose, sweet, floral, fresh, musky, green, aromatic, citrus, and powdery. Yes, yes, yes. And in the top notes, you got rhubarb, raspberry, lychee, grapefruit. In the middle notes, you got rose, peony, pink pepper. And in the base, you have musk, vanilla, and cedar. It's, you know, what's interesting is it's kind of hard to explain this, but it smells like everything I just listed. It just smells like a very sweet fragrance. Definitely more masculine. I think it smells nice. It smells nice. This is like an ultra feminine fragrance. It would be the exact counterpart to dark leather. Like, yes. Yeah, so where dark leather was for Batman, this is for Poison Ivy for sure. I like it. It's a little too fruity for me. It's a little simple, but it's a reliable fragrance. I think one that, you know, it's not going to stray away from what you'd expect in this type of like a super fruity fragrance. Yeah, I think you should check this one out. It's not, you know, it's a good quality fragrance. Not my cup of tea, but I could see somebody rocking this and doing very well for themselves. So that's my opinion on Delicious Rhubarb. It is that's what it is. Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. So have you tried this? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I know one thing for sure, YouTube is making some amazing recommendations right for you right now. I screwed that all the way up. Go ahead and click on the link. Check out the funnel.